How to do text stretching and growing animation in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a colored background and a basic text to my timeline. Move the playhead to the start of the text and click on the text, then open up the Inspector panel and click on Settings tab. Click on the Link button to unlink the Zoom X and Y properties. Click on the diamond button next to Zoom and set Zoom Y value to 0 to create a starting keyframe. Press the right arrow key on your keyboard 5 times to move forward 5 frames, and set Zoom Y value to 1.2. Move forward 5 more frames, and set Zoom Y value to 0.9. Move forward 5 more frames, and set Zoom Y value to 1. Click on this button to see the keyframes. Move forward a little and click on the diamond button next to Zoom to create a keyframe with current value. Move forward 5 more frames, and set Zoom Y value to 0.9. Move forward 5 more frames, and set Zoom Y value to 1.2. Move forward 5 more frames, and set Zoom Y value to 0. Now we have these stretch text animations, but they are not from the bottom of the text. From the drop-down at the bottom of Viewer, select Transform. Now move the small anchor point to the bottom of the text. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.